birthday project. What's up, Finn and Jen? My garden box is getting some new wood. That's a little rotted. $50 1/4. Well, 20 minutes later, I got this thing level. I also smashed my finger. Got a bleeder. Finn, look what I got. What is this? What is that? What is that? So I'm getting ready to put the main 2 front beams on and tie everything together. 3/4 of the way done. That board is short because I didn't want to buy another board. So we got to yank this one, trench it, last piece. Get yours in all the way in.
I gotta come that way.
All right, jigsaw puzzles together. I just gotta go get some decking screws. One last leveling, blast it in. These are 3-inch deck screws. Countersunk that a little bit. Drive one in the center. This is because it looks cool. Alright, there we go. Time. Garden box is almost done. I just got to move the dirt back in and slam some rebar in. Zip that together with some decking screws. I'm not running that support beam in the center now. Tie these two together. The 16-inch piece of wood. The white line is the electric fence that's buried underground. That's in. Alright, this is all done. Finally. 24 by 4. This is the garden, July 13th, 2022. We're getting cucumbers like crazy. I've probably picked 10 or 12 already. These are the tomato plants that are hitting about 7 foot for the tallest. Banana peppers in the front, which are coming in a little slower than the hot peppers down at the end. This is my vertical cucumber plant. It's probably 4 foot tall. I just picked it. You can see there's a small one right there. Hot pepper plants that I picked probably 7 or 8 hot peppers. See a big one down there. A couple of green pepper plants. Got one that's ready to pick. They're coming in a little slow like the sweet peppers. Cherry tomato, that one's taller than the one at the end. That's probably 6.5 foot. No red tomatoes yet though. See some of the tomatoes. This is a cherry. These are 4th of July tomatoes. I don't know what those are back there. Jet Star. That's it. Secret is I compost my leaves. I dig holes in the garden in the fall. And that tree right there, all the leaves go in these holes, as well as all the vegetable peelings, fruit peelings, eggshells, coffee, all winter long, and then I compost in the spring. And my garden's actually been doing a lot better since I started doing that. Alright, this is the end of this video. Quick garden update. It's August 25th. Tomatoes all turn red. We've been giving them away, freezing them, making chili and stuff with them. Pretty awesome. Got some cucumbers in there I need to pick. There's one down there. It's starting to die off just a little bit. These tomatoes here are monsters. You can see the perspective with my hand. That thing looks like it weighs about 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. That's it. Composting. Simple 24 by 4 raised garden bed. And everything came out pretty good.